Welcome to our channel ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about eco-friendly inventory management, reducing waste and carbon footprint. Did you know that businesses worldwide lose billions of dollars annually due to inventory waste? Worse yet, it's not just costing money, it's costing our planet. But what if I told you there's a way to manage your inventory that's both cost-effective and eco-friendly? Stick around as we dive into eco-friendly inventory management and how you can reduce waste while minimizing your carbon footprint. Why eco-friendly inventory management matters. Let's start with the big picture. Every year, tons of unsold products end up in landfills. This contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and pollution. But sustainable inventory management can change that. Here are the three major benefits. Environmental impact: less waste means less strain on natural resources. Cost savings: reducing waste reduces disposal costs and overstock expenses. Customer trust: more consumers prefer to support eco-conscious businesses. Strategies for eco-friendly inventory management. So, how do you actually implement eco-friendly practices? Here are some actionable strategies. 1. Adopt lean inventory practices. Avoid overstocking by using just-in-time (JIT) inventory systems. This ensures you only order what's needed, reducing surplus stock. 2. Implement demand forecasting. Use data analytics to accurately predict demand, preventing overproduction and waste. Tools like AI-powered forecasting software can be a game changer. 3. Opt for sustainable suppliers. Partner with suppliers who prioritize sustainability. Look for certifications like FSC, Forest Stewardship Council, or Fair Trade. 4. Recycle and repurpose. Repurpose unsold products or recycle materials wherever possible. For example, use returned items for parts or donate surplus stock to charities. Tech solutions for eco-friendly inventory management. Technology is your best friend when going green. Here are some tools to consider. Inventory management software: automate tracking and reduce human error. Blockchain: enhance transparency in your supply chain, ensuring sustainable sourcing. IoT sensors: monitor inventory levels in real time to avoid overstocking. Real-world success stories. Let's take a look at brands leading the way. Patagonia: they've mastered inventory control by focusing on durable, repairable products. IKEA: their flat-pack designs reduce shipping emissions and packaging waste. These companies prove that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. Now it's your turn. What steps will you take to make your inventory management eco-friendly? Whether it's switching suppliers, using data-driven forecasting, or reducing packaging waste, every little change counts. Let's work together to protect our planet while running smarter businesses.